and unstinted service. I congratulate them. They are Ms. Saramma Kurian, Mr. Joseph Yohannan, Mr. Shripati Bhatt, Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur, Mrs. Natasha Tomi, Mrs. Dilna Anish, and Mr. Ibrahim Al-Balushi. My special blessings for the pupils for their team spirit, hard work, and disciplined behavior. I am extremely thankful to the parents for their excellent cooperation with the school. Before I finish my report, I would like to express our thanks to the following companies for providing free snacks to the students for annual concert and annual day. They are Khimji Ramdas LLC, Oman Foodstuff Factory LLC, Oman Refreshment Company SAOG, IFCO Distribution LLC, and National Biscuits Industries Limited SAOG. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now, we have the prize distribution ceremony to felicitate the meritorious students of classes 6 to 11 for their academic excellence.
I kindly request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ahmad bin Rashid Al-Fazari, to come up on stage and give away the prizes. I humbly request our Principal, Mr. J.K. Arora, to accompany him.
I also request Mr. Haridas Jivraj Java, President, School Managing Committee, and Mr. Meg G. Badra, Treasurer, School Managing Committee, to accompany them.
The students winning the prize for academic excellence in their respective classes are Shruti Rajesh of 6B for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Chris Binney of 6C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Pratik Praveen Prabhu of 6C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Nitin Bhatia of 6D for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Ashini Najina Jalil of 7B for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Anushka Mishra of 7C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
And Susan Luke of 7C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Aditi Bora of 7D for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Amay Devesh Goyal of 8A for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Archana CM of 8B for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Karthi Subramanian of 8C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Danica De Silva of 8C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
Sri Lakshmi S of 8C for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
John Benny of 9A for achieving A1 grade in all the subjects.
This time, a record number of 7 students have obtained A1 grade in all the 5 subjects with CGPA of 10 in the CBSE Class 10 examination. The school is awarding these meritorious students with real gold coins. These students are Liz Maria Zacharias,
I call upon Haley Rajendra Mehta to receive her gold coin.
Ipshita Paul to receive her gold coin.
Aishwarya Kurup to receive her gold coin.
I call upon Himanshu Sharma to receive his gold coin.
I call upon Akansha Sinha to receive her gold coin.
I call upon Ayamma Gauri to receive her gold coin.
Our students of class 12 have also performed exceedingly well in the CBSE examination. The school is honoring the subject toppers with 1 gold coin each. Anuja Ketan Tole for securing first position in class 12 with 95.8% marks. For reasons of outstanding academic performance and for being among the top 0.1% of the All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination in Chemistry with 99% marks, a proficiency in Physics with 95% and a proficiency in English with 95%. Her father is receiving the award on her behalf.
Pathik Arvind for securing second position in class 12 with 95.4%. For reasons of outstanding academic performance and for being among the top 0.1% of successful candidates of All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination in Chemistry with 99%. Proficiency in Biology with 97% and proficiency in Maths with 96%. He is being awarded with a real coin for each subject. His mother is here to receive the award on his behalf.
Gaurav Srikanth Mukhasi for securing third position in class 12 with 95% and a proficiency in English with 95%. He is awarded with a real gold coin. His parents are receiving the award on his behalf.
Arshi Tandon for securing third position in class 12 with 95%. Proficiency in Physics with 95% and she is being awarded with a real gold coin. Her brother is receiving the award on her behalf.
Abhishek Mishra securing a proficiency in Physics with 95% and a proficiency in English with 95%. He is awarded with a real gold coin for each subject. His father is receiving the award on his behalf.
Anuja Mahesh Mistry for securing proficiency in English with 95%. She will be awarded with a real gold coin. Her father is receiving the award on her behalf.
Neha Rebecca Matthews for securing a proficiency in English with 95%. She is awarded with a real gold coin. Her father is receiving the award on her behalf.
Jessie Jacob for securing proficiency in English with 95%. She is being awarded with a real gold coin. Her mother is receiving the award on her behalf.
Bhavik Hemant Singadia for securing proficiency in English with 95%. He is awarded with a real gold coin. His father is receiving the award on his behalf.
Kamaldeep Singh for securing proficiency in English with 95%. He is awarded with a real gold coin. His parents are receiving the award on his behalf.
Hina Bapodra for securing proficiency in informatics practices with 98%. She is being awarded with the real gold coin. As her parents are not in town, the school will make arrangements to send the award.
Haya Hani Ahmad for securing proficiency in English with 95%. She is awarded with a real gold coin. As her parents are not in town, the school will make arrangements to send the award. I recall the proverb, as you sow, so you reap. Congratulations, winners!
Now, we have come to a very special segment of the prize distribution ceremony. Today, we are honoring 7 of our staff members for completing 10 years of dedicated service. I call upon the stage Miss Sarama Kurian to receive her gold coin.
Mr. Joseph Yohanan to receive his gold coin.
Mr. Shripati Bhatt to receive his gold coin.
I call upon Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur to receive her gold coin.
I call upon Mrs. Natasha Tomey to receive her gold coin.
I call upon Mrs. Dilna Anish to receive her gold coin.
Mr. Ibrahim to receive his gold coin. I request you all to give a loud round of applause to all the prize winners. I humbly request Mr. Haridas Jivraj Java, President, School Managing Committee, to present a memento to our Honorable Chief Guest to show our appreciation.
I kindly request the chief guest, members of the school managing committee and the principal to take their seats.
Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Ahmad bin Rashid Al Fazari, Director of Educational Program Department, Ministry of Education, Governorate of North Batna, Soha, distinguished